it's possible that you accidentally supplied 240 volts to the customer's motor by splicing those orange wires. Here's a potential explanation of what could have occurred. It's conceivable that the original orange wires were connected to a 120 volt circuit. Upon splicing the wires, you may have inadvertently created a direct connection between this 120 volt circuit and a 240 volt supply. This action could have sent 240 volts to the motor, an appliance designed to function optimally at 120 volts. The symptoms you've described, namely a few initial spurts of water followed by the motor's abrupt cessation, are consistent with this hypothesis. A 120 volt motor, when erroneously supplied with 240 volts, typically exhibits excessive current draw and subsequent overheating, ultimately leading to its operational failure. To effectively troubleshoot this issue, follow these steps. 1. Begin by identifying the 120 volt circuit. Employ a voltmeter to meticulously check the voltage present at the terminals where the orange wires were initially connected within the old control box. The reading should ideally indicate 120 volts. 2. Isolate the 240 volt supply. Disconnect the 240 volt supply feeding the new control box. This precautionary measure will prevent any further unwanted voltage from being inadvertently supplied to the orange wires. 3. Carefully repair the orange wires. Cut and splice the orange wires at a location deemed convenient, while paying strict attention to ensuring that they remain separated and adequately insulated from each other. 4. Reconnect the 120 volt circuit. Re-establish the connection of the orange wires back to their original 120 volt circuit within the old control box. 5. Test the motor. Restore power to the system and closely observe whether the motor now operates as expected. Caution: before undertaking any electrical work, always prioritize safety by ensuring that the power is completely turned off and the system is effectively de-energized. Should you feel uncomfortable or uncertain about working with electrical systems, it is strongly advisable to seek assistance from a qualified electrician who possesses the expertise to handle such tasks safely and competently.